In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on YouTube. This is helpful when you want to see what's trending in another country, discover regional recommendations, or make your homepage reflect content from a different region. Changing your location in YouTube adjusts what you see, but it doesn't change your account's billing country, and it won't bypass regional licensing restrictions. Start on youtube.com in a web browser. Look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon, which opens the account menu. Click that icon to open the menu. If you're signed into multiple channels or accounts, the menu might show a few extra options, but you'll still see the settings we need. In the account menu, look for the item labeled Location, followed by your current country. Click on Location. This opens a list of regions and countries. Choose the region you want to use. As soon as you click your selection, YouTube applies the change and refreshes your recommendations, trending tab, and some content placements to match that region. There's no save button required. Your choice takes effect immediately, and you can switch back at any time by repeating the same steps. A few quick notes to keep everything clear. This location setting influences discovery and browsing, not your language. If your interface language doesn't match what you prefer, use the language option in the same account menu to adjust the UI text independently of your region. Also, this setting is separate from your Google account's country for payments, subscriptions, or purchases. Those remain tied to your actual account settings and may require additional verification if you ever need to change them. If you don't see the location option right away, reload the page and make sure you're on the main YouTube homepage rather than inside Studio or a video player pop-out. Using an up-to-date desktop browser gives the most consistent experience. On mobile, the option is also found under your profile menu, though exact placement can vary slightly by app version and device. After changing location, give YouTube a little time to refresh recommendations based on your new region. Your subscriptions and watch history remain the same, but the Explore and Trending sections will reflect the country you selected. If you changed your mind, just open the account menu again and pick your original country. That's all there is to it. Open the account menu, click Location, and choose the region you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring YouTube from a different perspective.